Somewhere between a garden hose and a full pressure washer sits a growing category of hose attachment devices, and HoseHawk is one of the more visible products in that space. Marketed as a hydro-powered cleaning tool connecting to any standard garden hose, it promises cleaning force usually associated with electric or gas-powered machines. What appears in the advertising is visually compelling. Driveways cleared of grime, patios restored, vehicles rinsed clean, all through a straightforward nozzle attachment. The product is compact, connects without electricity, and requires no complex setup. Now, let's take a closer look. HoseHawk narrows and shapes the water stream, creating a more focused spray with more force than a standard nozzle. However, this is fundamentally different from a true pressure washer. Real pressure washers use motorized pumps to compress water to high PSI levels. HoseHawk has no pump or compression system, meaning output depends entirely on your home's existing water supply. User feedback tends to split clearly. Those using it for light tasks, rinsing vehicles, cleaning windows, washing lightly soiled surfaces, generally report reasonable satisfaction. The spray is more controlled than a basic hose, and adjustable spray settings add useful flexibility. Where the product falls short is with heavier jobs. Embedded grime or stubborn buildup requiring sustained high pressure, these are areas where users report the device struggles. For those tasks, a powered pressure washer remains the appropriate tool. Another thing worth noticing is the build quality. Reviewers describe it as reasonably solid, with rust-resistant materials and a compact frame. No running costs beyond water usage. Overall, the experience depends heavily on expectations. As a garden hose upgrade for everyday outdoor maintenance, it appears to offer genuine utility. As a full pressure washer replacement, it will likely disappoint. For light-duty use on a modest budget, it seems worth considering with realistic expectations.